An Indonesian entrepreneur has voiced confidence in the Chinese market, saying his company is seeking to expand investments in China. Suprapto Santoso, CEO of Indonesian snack brand Poptong, said China's expanding middle-income population makes it a significant market.
We've been entering China market since 2009. I believe the reason is the same with a lot of people. The sheer size of China market and the rapidly rising of the middle class. So the market consumption is heading toward a modern and advanced economy. Our confidence level is never been higher in China before because this is, I think, the momentum for China to become, I think, a more advanced economy in the world. This is a huge market, not only by population, but the market that we care more is the middle class. That's not easy to be substituted by any market in the world. Especially in the last 10 years, e-commerce has been driving the changes a lot in China. A lot of technology and different networks, business scheme that are very different from other markets, but it's very advanced in China. I think it's the most advanced e-commerce market in the world that could be a benchmark for a lot of industry outside China. The global initiative and the momentum is going toward Asia. I think China should be the locomotive for the economic growth foreseeable future.